Hey, that's the tornado right there.
Yeah, scary moments. That's just outside the doors of the popular Pompano Club today. 12 News viewer Corby Lee sent us this video out of Port Neches. Seems like the door can't even shut because of the strong winds. That's just one of many videos sent to us by our 12 News viewers who were experiencing all of those conditions firsthand today.
We should mention in the midst of this, no reports of any significant injuries, maybe some minor ones, but yeah, everybody appears to be okay. But wild storms there as they rolled through the mid-county area. Here's some video of what it looked like just outside Central Mall in Port Arthur. Just intense wind and rain as people literally ran for cover. Our crew happened to be in the area along 365 and they took shelter inside the mall during the tornado warning.
And this is some intense video from Port Arthur. A slew of rain coming down at the Ambrios Village Apartments off Highway 73. So much rain and strong winds, you can hardly see anything there. That was sent in by our 12 News viewer Christian Piper. You can certainly hear those wind chimes just kind of dinging along with that wind out there. Now that these storms have moved farther east, folks here are beginning that cleanup process.
12 News reporter Simona Barca is in Port Arthur continuing our coverage where a family's home got ransacked by the storms.
Driving through the Taylor Landing neighborhood, overturned road signs and tree branches are a common sight. It's one of the neighborhoods that was most affected in Tuesday's tornado. The Rabago family are one of those families affected. Their fence and backyard, as you can see, completely upended by the tornado.
The whole house was shaking, the door was shaking, window was shaking. I said, I have never experienced, that was so traumatic.
Junilyn Rabago hunkered down with her son in a small closet when the tornado barreled through her neighborhood.
I had my bag grabbed, I put a water food in there, and then I went to my closet with my kid and a flashlight and hid under the comforter.
Outside, the tornado tore through their fence and backyard, sending their furniture into the twister.
We have some chairs over here. I don't know where they're all at. We did search around, but there was nothing to find.
Just down the street, this 18-wheeler overturned on Highway 73. And a few miles away in this Port Acres neighborhood, families waited for the storm to pass to finally check on one another.
I heard a real swirling winds, and I heard a real bad lightning strike. Didn't know what it was. I came stood out here, then I saw a fire truck right here. Came out trees in my neighbor's house.
Norman Cockrell says his neighbor didn't know a tree had landed on her house until he went to check on her.
Didn't realize it was on the house.
Thankfully, these storm victims are safe tonight.
At the end of the day, these are all materials, so I just hope to God that we're all safe. And, I didn't think of anything else but my safety and my son's safety.
Reporting in Port Arthur, Simona Barca, 12 News.